Good afternoon, everyone. This is Alvin Kynes from the YouTube channel Yardscaper Al, where I show you how to turn your not so pretty grass into luscious green grass. And I show you my little green thumb here that I've acquired since being here in central North Carolina. It's pretty awesome. These are knockout roses. I put these down about a couple years ago, and just in 2 years' time, boom, these things are almost, 6 feet tall. The grass here was not looking so great. It still has a few spots here or whatever. But this I put down in January, central North Carolina. And here we are, middle of June. It did not look like this earlier. Take a little walk around the yard here. I do a lot of things. You call me a jack of all trades. I'm glad to see the bees flying around. Say there's a shortage of bees in the United States. Glad to see them. Give you a little view here of my little landscaping project here, which continues. Take a walk up in here. Got knockout roses. I've got crepe myrtles, black diamond crepe myrtles, big crepe myrtles or bigger crepe myrtles, Japanese maples. And this is what I do. This is what I do, kind of like for a hobby or whatever you want to call it. This is Yardscaper Al. Hit the subscribe button. You won't be bored. Check me out. Have a great day. Thanks for viewing.